are struggling with slow hair growth, thinning hair, dryness, flaking scalp, then this video is for you. I am making a Ayurvedic hair mask that cover all of those issues. And apart from that, if you also just want to stimulate your hair follicles or you just want overall healthy hair, then keep on watching. First of all, we're going in with our mixture. For this, I'm using coffee brew and dry hibiscus. To mix my coffee brew, I'm also using warm water. And if you want, you can mix your coffee brew, keep it for an hour or two. But I love to make my DIY treatment the night before my wash day. So the next morning when I wake up, it is ready just for me to start applying it on my hair. So you can just allow your coffee brew to steep for like 30 minutes. It will be fine. After that, I'm going in with my variable powders. Now, why this recipe is great for healthy scalp? Because you guys know our scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. If you having issues with your scalp, that will handle your hair growth. So for healthy scalp, I'm going in with ingredients like neem powder. Neem helps to kill fungus and bacteria and things on our scalp. Now the ingredients I'm using in this recipe, of course, is caffeine, and then I'm going in with hibiscus. I'm also going in with amla, neem. Charcoal is another thing that I really included in my routine nowadays because I'm really taking my scalp health very seriously. And to do that, you need charcoal. I'm also going in with fenugreek. We're also using glycerin and a line of our hair oils, which are our S secrets oils. So all of these ingredients put together is great for healthy hair, it's great for hair growth. I will go over each ingredients one at a time, but I just want to answer some questions that I get a lot when I put these ingredients together. Number one is how long can you keep these recipes? Now, I love to make my recipe the night before, as I mentioned earlier on, and the next day I use it up because we are using water in these ingredients. And if you are not using preservatives, it can go bad. The highest I would say leave it in your fridge is 5 to 7 days. If you don't wash your hair that often, then I would say just make it and then use it by the next day or use it up the same day, because if you don't have preservatives in these ingredients, it is not good for your scalp. Now we are trying to protect our hair and our scalp. You don't want fungus and bacteria growing on your scalp. For our ultimate coffee and herb hair growth mask, we use our amla, we use fenugreek, we use charcoal, and these things help with fast hair growth. The caffeine helps stimulate hair follicles and prolong the anagen, which is the growth phase, and potentially also block DHT. Caffeine can also help improve blood flow on the scalp when used topical. Hibiscus is rich in amino acids and vitamin C. They can strengthen hair and improve shine. It helps with dandruff and scalp irritation due to anti-inflammatory properties. They also support stronger and thicker looking hair. Amla is also high in vitamin C. It has antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory property. It is historically used to strengthen hair, reduce graying, and improve hair pigmentation. It also promotes healthy scalp environment and shine. Neem has antimicrobial and also anti-inflammatory properties. They can help with dandruff and scalp infections. It supports a healthier scalp by reducing microbial load and soothing irritation. It contributes to improved scalp environment for hair growth. Now, charcoal absorbs impurities, excess oils, and toxins from the scalp. It can help clarify and detox the scalp, potentially reducing clogged follicles. Fenugreek is also traditionally used to promote hair growth. It contains protein and nicotinic acid that support follicle strength. It also has anti-inflammatory and help with scalp conditions. It can moisturize the hair, reduce breakage when used in a paste form. Glycerin is a humectant. It attracts moisture from the air to the hair and scalp. It helps keep the scalp hydrated and can reduce dryness and flaking. And then the blend of our S Secrets oils, as you guys know, it helps with healthy hair, it helps with hair growth, it helps with thicker hair, and it also helps with overall scalp health. After applying the treatment to your hair, you can leave it on for an hour. Afterwards, rinse it out and continue your wash day routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and join the family. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.